What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk to you a little bit about how to get outside of your comfort zone. Because if you know me, then you know that I do not like comfort zones. Because if you're comfortable, you're not growing. And if you're not growing, you're dying. And I don't want to die, guys. I'm sure you don't either. So I highly suggest that you get outside your comfort zone. So today is Thursday. I don't have to go into the office today. If you did watch my last video, and I'm being quiet because Lily's downstairs, then you know that tonight we are going to Whitney's house to celebrate. She doesn't know it's a surprise. So I kind of left it as a cliffhanger in my last video. If you didn't check it out, I'm gonna link it right here. I am using the vlog camera. I will link that down in the description as always. And yeah, so I gotta go hit the gym. Then I'm gonna hang out with Lily. She's gonna go to her friend Whitney's and get her lashes done tonight. We're gonna surprise her. So, if you're ready, let's get this thing going.
Nerf this!
So it's early afternoon right now. I got the gym flow on. I got some leggings, got some nice baggy shorts, got the hoodie on for some extra sweat. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Let's go. And the squeeze, and the squeeze, and the squeeze gonna get.
So it's ready.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. And you're gonna get those lashes done? Mm-hmm. So if you watched my last video, then you know we tried this place called Gunther Tooties. First time I've ever had it, exceeded my expectations, was really good. So I've already broken my fast, so I'm gonna train not fasted today, which is something I normally don't do. But hey, what did I just say about comfort zones? Let's get outside them. So hopefully that's gonna give me a little more energy and I'll be able to lift a little bit heavier today. Wait, before I go to the gym, I just gotta show the camera your freaking cute apron. Come here. Look at that, these little paw prints. I can't wait to get my paws on ya. Tomorrow's her birthday, guys. So let's go get these gains. Wow, this lighting's terrible. So I hid the card and I got her in the bathroom right here. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. So I hid the card that I got her in the bathroom. Hopefully she doesn't find it while I'm gone. So I'm dying. It's a good kind of dying though. Yeah. Tired. Good workout. Let's get back home.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to...
The drama. What's up? Yo, what up?
Give Danielle a shout out at Dan Tex.
At Dan Tex. Hit him up. Fortnite. Wow. Alright, before I go shower up though, I'm gonna get this protein in. We got plant-based protein, you know your boy F's with it. And I'm gonna mix that up with some almond milk and some creatine. So let's get it.
Listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
So Whitney is talking to Lily downstairs right now and it's going perfectly. She knows nothing. It's gonna be great. She's gonna be so surprised. I can't wait to see her face. I just wanted to get back real quick though to getting out of your comfort zone. And number one would be to be in the mindset of growth. Know that you were put on this earth for a reason, and that's to become the person you're destined to be. And whatever that person is for you, that's who you want to be. Right? I hope you're following me here, but I know that there's something inside of you that you want to do, that you want to accomplish. The universe wants you to do that too. I want you to do that. Everyone wants you to do what you want to do, to follow your passion, to do what you love to do, what you were destined to do. So if you have that mindset that I need to grow in order to become the person I'm supposed to be, that I want to be, that'll make doing things that scare you a whole lot easier. You'll know in the back of your mind, if I do this, I'll be that much closer to my goals, to my destiny, to whatever you want to call it. So definitely have the correct mindset, and I know I say that in like every single one of my videos, but I honestly believe that's where it starts for anything. So definitely guys, get your mind right. That's number one. I wasn't planning on this to be like a how-to video, but I think that's the route it's going. So let's keep it rolling. All right, so I'm all showered up. As you can see, I'm gonna go see what Lily's up to. You reading? You reading?
Yeah. Little Catholic sweet. Catholic school. Precious, delicious, and nutritious. Delicious and nutritious.
Burns herself.
I know, I can imagine.
Didn't beat the rain today completely, but that's okay. Okay, so update. What a bizarre turn of events. We ate dinner. Lily and her mom are gonna go to Whitney's house together because they're getting their brows done together. So I'm gonna go hit the store, get the flowers now, and try to just follow them there without them knowing, and just kind of be there right after. Got the card. The rain has kind of subsided for right now, so that's good. Okay, so flowers, got them. Let's go. I was supposed to get pink ones, but all the pink ones look like shit, so I wasn't gonna do that. Off to Whitney's. I have no idea what door I'm supposed to be going to. Fuck. I can see the balloons and stuff. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Is this shit even raining? I don't know what to do. What is going on, man?
No, Kelly's getting hers done. Because I just got here, so traffic is so bad.
I know. How long? How beautiful that is, huh? Big shout out to Whitney for setting it all up. People.
Follow my Twitch.
Follow your Twitch? You're on Twitch, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the username?
Fortnite Danny.
Fortnite Danny?
Follow my Twitch.
Okay.
Try to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Happy birthday, dear Sweetie. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay! My sweet is a sweet. God bless you.
Thank you.
So I'm talking about how to get out of your comfort zone.
I know a tip.
What?
Just think you only have one life to live.
This is a bonus birthday girl tip right now.
This is a bonus birthday girl tip. You only have one life to live. So why not live it confidently? Who cares what people think? Do you. Because at the end of the day, nothing else will matter. When you die, nothing will matter. It won't matter what that guy thought or started laughing at you when you took out the camera. It won't matter them talking under their breath because you're pulling out a camera, or because you're confidently doing something that you love to do, or that you confidently like something, or whatever. One life to live.
You heard it here first. One life
Bonus
to live.
tip.
So something practical you can do that I was gonna say is to just do whatever it is you're afraid to do. The more you do something you're afraid to do it, the easier it's gonna get. Take public speaking, for example, or vlogging in public, like Lily was referring to. The more that you do it, the easier it becomes. And it's so like paralyzing. You're like paralyzed with fear when you're doing it. But once you get over that initial hump, you get that adrenaline pump in, it doesn't seem as bad the next time. Yeah, it might be scary again, but the more that you do it, the easier it becomes. So just do it. Hashtag Nike.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Yeah. Lego. So because Whitney's a real one, she got me some dope gifts, along with obviously the Shui. Got me this sick Michael Kors sweater and a nice polo shirt and some scratchies. So let's see if I can call out tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
Won $5 on the scratch tickets.
Isn't it crazy?
It's okay. $5 richer. I'm gonna go upstairs, get changed, and end this video. So, before I end this video, were you surprised and did you enjoy your little early B-Day shindig?
I loved it.
Here's the kicker of all surprises. I was talking and vlogging about it. Not only this video, but the video before it.
You did?
Yeah.
When?
All today.
Near
Filming
me?
both videos. Well, yeah, I had to strategically do it in the bathroom and talk to the camera.
He's sneaky. He's telling you guys secrets.
I was.
I loved it. I had the best time.
Good. I'm so glad.
Now I need my beauty sleep.
Yep, me too. So let me end this video right here by giving you the third and final tip. And this is something practical yet again that you can use to get outside your comfort zone. And that's to have an accountability partner or have someone to hold you accountable. And I try to do this myself with different people over social media. You know, we talk about our goals and things we want to accomplish. And I've done it multiple times. And I mean, if you say you're going to do something and you know that someone's give you crap about it if you don't do it, or you know is going to be disappointed in you if you don't do it, that's going to like force you to get over the fear of doing something and just get it done, so you can report back to them or back to a group or back to a meeting, whatever it is for you, and say, yeah, I did the thing. So that's my third and final tip, guys. I'll put everything right there. The 3 tips plus Lily's bonus tip for you. So thank you so much for watching. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you have that bell clicked and you won't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Signing off.